Have you been using Kimi AI and still don't know this feature? Well, I'm talking about save prompts that give you prompts in a single click, which you probably use like 10 times a day. So if you don't know how to add them, let's just watch this video. If you go to kimi.com and you have already logged into your account, you'll see this text box where you'll see the save frequently used prompt button, which if you click, you can go to the settings option, and from here you can add in the prompt by clicking on this add prompts button. Here you'll just add the prompt that you usually use, that is the instruction that you want to give. I'm going to use this one here, and then you can set the prompt name by clicking on this custom here and entering your desired name, and just click complete and then click on the new button to add this save prompt to your list. And if you want to edit a prompt that you've already saved, you can click on this edit button and make changes accordingly. Now to use this prompt, we'll go back to our chat and click on the save button, click on the prompt that you want to use, and you can change this topic here and simply use your prompt. So that was how you can save time while using Kimi AI by just saving few of your repetitive prompts in your save prompt option.